Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to predict expenses in Google Sheets using AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to predict expenses in Google Sheets using AI, then all you can do is simply go and tap open your Google Sheet. Once you have opened your Google Sheet, it has a built-in forecasting function. Google Sheet includes a basic forecasting functions that uses linear regression, and once you have used this, you can predict future values based on historical data. This is a simple non-AI method for effective predictions. But if you want to use AI, then you need to add like add-ons and extensions. You need to install an extension like Expense Sorted or Excelmatic, which can automatically categorize transactions. You can train the AI, like after you install it, you can typically connect the AI and extensions, AI extension to your sheet and train the AI with previous categorized transactions and access your forecast. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.